I know it's been a long time since we've made a video, but this is the first look at the latest flip. So we bought this house, but this is Tyler's first look at it. We actually found it, bought it, got the keys for it, and he's just now seen it for the first time.
Can't wait.
And I'm gonna show him what we've got. And this house was a previous rental, and this was previously carpet, and the rental or the tenants put down this cheap snap-on stuff. So we're gonna take that out and either recarpet it like it was originally or have wood brought in to match this. But it's got a good bit of cosmetic stuff, but no major damage. Stuff that actually, a lot of the stuff will be subbed out with the exception of paint and replacing the fixtures. But this is one of the small bedrooms.
I like these high ceilings.
It does have high ceilings.
I think every room has high ceilings.
Well, it's got really high ceilings in the dining room, right here.
Yeah.
This is kind of a funky wall, but we've got gas fireplace.
And smell the kitchen fumes. Smell.
Yeah, they had the TV they had right here, so they hook up right there. But it's a 2 full bath, fenced in backyard. It's got vaulted ceilings throughout. It looks pretty good. We're gonna get rid of the countertops and all the appliances and all that stuff. We've got to clean the garage out.
That little cubby. I wonder what that cubby's for.
I guess you could,
vase.
like a flower vase and some like you know how people do that.
You're not gonna put pots and pans.
No, you know how girls do like the home sweet home,
That's gotta be it.
or they'll do like the peace, love, friendship.
That's where that goes.
That's where all that goes. This house was built in '98, so everything's gold.
How about the master? Let's check out the master.
See, they had a dog, so the dog was peeing all over the floor.
Oh, this was where the dog slept.
Yep. Let's see what we've got here.
Well, you got high ceilings in the bathroom too.
Look at that.
Look at this. It's like a little theater.
Oh, look, no, look at the lights.
Hold on. Okay. What? Why do you need all the lights? That's cool.
So the story on this house is got a lead from somebody that I know that was interested in getting out of the rental. This was their only rental and just wanted to be out of it. They had a bad experience, and that's where we come in. Take it off your hands, easy and quick. And this house actually has a loft, which is cool too. I guess loft / we'll call it a bonus room.
With high ceilings.
Well, we'll call it a bedroom because we've got this attic entrance. We'll just close this in and call it a closet, and then we have 4 bedrooms.
There you go. 4-bedroom house.
It's a 4-bedroom house. 3. So we've got 2 other houses in the works in front of this one. But Tyler happened to come in town today to get a haircut, and
Figured I'd see the house I just bought yesterday.
yeah. And then the dump trailer got dropped off today, and I said, well, I guess we'll just spend like 3 hours. We'll clean all the trash out and cut the grass. That doesn't cost anything. We're here anyways.
Nice backyard.
But we've got a...
Oh, look at a little walking trail.
That's like a neighborhood walking path.
What do you want? Nice sturdy porch. That's a nice house.
The roof is 7 years old. It looks brand new. The HVAC is 5 years old. And we'll probably list this house for $219, $224.9, something like that. Maybe $209. We've kind of semi-looked at comps, not dug too deep in it. And it also depends on rehab, you know, how far we go. But I think this house is going to look amazing when we're done with it, because we basically do the whole 9 yards and replace everything, paint everything. We don't try to salvage anything.
One room with normal ceilings.
Mm-hmm.
1 bedroom. Yeah, this snap-on's got to go. Carpet the bedrooms.
Bring wood in throughout this hallway. We'll
Wood
hardwoods
the hallway in the
in the living room.
Carpet everything else.
I think when they walk in the front door and see all these hardwoods, I think that's going to be
These transition pieces and all that. I mean, I get the carpet will look better than the snap-on. I don't even know why you do. That's so contrasting.
This color
Why
is...
would you do that? Why would you even think to do that? But I think if it was just a sea of hardwoods, that would help. It'd make the room look bigger too. Man, I like it. I like these ceilings. I mean, how am I going to change that? Or that.
Yeah, I've got a big A-frame ladder. But the previous people left all their packing stuff. There's stuff in the crawl space, stuff in the garage, stuff in the cabinets.
Oh, we didn't see the garage.
And we're gonna clean. Yeah, have you walked through the garage?
Little 2-car garage.
So there's a bunch of oil they left. I guess they were changing their oil. But they've got 10 gallons of oil we're gonna take to the local county dump, I guess. Yeah, nice 2-car garage. I mean, every house that we buy that we think we do a home run on is our new favorite home. But Tyler, this is
this is
your Tyler's new.
well. This is the nicest one yet. This will be.
This is the most modern.
Yeah, this is the most modern. The problem is we're, taking cast iron out and putting PVC, or taking the 2-wire out, putting 3-wire for electric. And I mean, look at this breaker box. I'm used to. I've seen the pull fuses.
This little cubby. Yeah, that's the garage door.
Look at that.
It needs to be open anyways.
And what do we do with that stuff? We got to put a garage door in because it's so old.
This one's in case.
It's just an opening.
I'm so happy. And I like it when the house has good looking houses around it. So this is across the street, this is next door, and this is next door. They all look fantastic.
You can leave your car unlocked overnight and not have to worry.
Man. Well, I'm gonna cut the grass. We're gonna load the dump trailer up with everything in the garage, house, and crawl space, and let's get to it.